sits and watches all the time.
Hi, hi, hi. Oh, there's one right here. How do I get it?
Have your dad hold him.
Can you see it?
No.
Can you take it?
No idea what you're talking about.
Lee.
Yes, please.
In between the arms? I see. You're fine, you're fine.